What's going on, guys? I've got a Chrysler Sebring, aka Chrysler 200, and I'm going to use it to point out to you how to change your brake pedal switch. So you can kind of see the switch through here. It's that piece right there, and it comes out real easily. You can just reach up from the bottom and grab it, rotate it just counterclockwise, and it comes right out. And the new one, you'll just push in and rotate it clockwise. The only tricky part about this is going to be disconnecting this piece right here. And you'll see there's a green piece. You have to pry that upwards, and I'll show you how that works. So I removed this piece from the car so you can see how I was able to disconnect it. Just getting a prying tool, just went down in there and went like that. And that's all it took for me to disconnect this brake pedal position switch.